Hello, today in front of me I have Motorola Moto E40 smartphone, and in this video we're going to show how you can find, access and check your mobile phone number on this device. First of all, open up the settings. Next you want to scroll all the way down and enter the About Phone section. And in here you'll find the SIM status and the SIM status, SIM status for the first SIM card, as well as the SIM status for the second SIM card if you have like two SIM cards inserted. And upon tapping on this option or part of this About Phone page, you'll see that the phone number on SIM option will display the current phone number that is saved into this particular SIM card memory. In my case, as it comes for the SIM card that is inserted into the second slot, it shows unknown, therefore no phone number is saved into its own memory. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.